Horses out, Real Triumph fast to begin, moving a party outside, Raymond Star, Friendly Fire is by the rail, then followed by Southern Prince, moving a party outside now is Santiago. Into the turn we go, we have the Real Triumph, is running by the rail, Southern Prince on the outside second, and in third, Raymond Star, Friendly Fire is down in fourth, and in fifth comes Santiago. Bold Lucky is down in 6th, Sunday Street 7th, Condor, Let's Have a Party, Beat the Hit, Cannon Wheel, and Nitty Gritty. They swing into the back, Real Triumph by only a length, Southern Prince in second, and here comes Raymond Star. Now coming closer in third, Santiago, also moving up, Friendly Fire in fifth, Sunday Street, Southern Prince by a length. And in second now is Raymond Star, Real Triumph, Santiago is on the outside. Then followed by Friendly Fire, Southern Prince by about 2 lengths. Santiago, Friendly Fire now moving upon the outside third. As they come down at the last 200, Southern Prince, Friendly Fire moving upon the outside to take the lead. It's now Friendly Fire followed by Southern Prince. Sunday Street is by the rail. And nearing the finish line, it's Friendly Fire. And finally, Friendly Fire, Southern Prince, Condor, Let's Have a Party,